All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So, however. 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 Yeah, it's quite a key word in English. However. Something's happening. However. Something changes. Something's happening. However. Something changes. The way something could be instead. However. I have been learning. However. I need to learn faster. I have been training. Oh, however, I need to train more often. Very important, yeah. He has a farm. Very nice. However, he only grows pears. Yes. However, yeah. He is a good farmer. However, he wants to retire soon. Yes. Very good. Yeah. However. However long it took, we managed to do it. We managed to do it. However, it took a long time. We managed to do it. However, it took a long time. Took a long time. She's writing now. However long it will take. She will finish the document however long it takes. No matter how long it takes. No matter how long, she'll finish it. Yes. I think he knows. However, he might forget soon. I have more lessons every day. Well, more Spanish lessons every day. Every day. However, I am also writing words, Spanish words, from a book I have. A textbook. A textbook, yeah. So I'm learning online. However, I'm also learning with a book. Very important. Yes. How cool is that? So I'm a student of the languages too. Yeah. So yeah, however. So anything could happen. However, I don't know when. Anything could happen. However, I don't know when. However, I don't know when. Yeah. How cool is that? So, however, quite a useful adverb in English. Something's going along. However. Yeah. So, can you use however in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.